Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Discord tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a Discord server with a server template. So this will allow you to copy everything such as channels, roles, everything like that on a server so that it can be used to quickly make another server. So one thing to keep in mind is this is currently only possible on the desktop or the browser version of Discord, and you can only copy servers that you are the owner of or you have the managed server role for that server. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is to simply open up the server we want to copy, then go up and select the drop down to the right of the server name to open up the menu, and in the menu, go down and select server settings. Once we have the server settings open, we need to go into the left side and find server template, select that. And then as you can see here with server template, it will copy everything from the channels, the channel topics, roles permissions, and then the server settings. From here, we just need to give it a name, then a description, and then select Generate Template. Now we can preview the template if we want to. As you can see, the same channels, and we could create from here. So now when I close the server settings, you can see there is a new server right here that was created as a copy of the Gauging Gadgets server. All right, so that's how you copy a Discord server. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Discord tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.